Hello.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Am I audible or visible properly?
Yes, you are audible and visible. Same question from my side.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So today our topic is helping a friend move.
No, ma'am. I think this was not our topic. Our topic is superhero.
Oh,
Superhero.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because in my app, in my this it said helping a friend move.
Okay. In my side, I have seen a superhero or
Oh,
superpower.
okay. So
Yeah.
what I will do is we for now because I have to ask you questions and create a conversation with you. We'll have it more casually.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So we'll go with the topic that I have because I have the list of questions in front of me. Okay.
Okay.
But I will let them know that you had a different topic actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, as far as I'm concerned, there are no right or wrong answers.
Yeah.
Okay. So be absolutely relaxed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now imagine a friend of yours is moving to a city, to your
Okay.
city, okay, where you are,
Yeah.
and is unaware of anything in his surroundings, or he's unaware of the places around him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how would you make him or her familiar with the city?
Uh, First of all, through call, I will tell him each and everything, like how can he come in my city, and mm, what kind of area, where do I live at present, and how is the people, how is the environment is here where I'm living at present. So I will aware him each and everything.
Okay, how the environment is over there.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
you use how
and
is the
okay over there.
environment when you are asking me a question. How is my environment? But when you're making it a statement, you say how the environment is. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. I think there was a network issue. Am I audible,
Yes.
man? Am I
Yes. Yes.
audible?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Now it's better.
yeah,
Okay, so I was telling you about the question
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
what's a statement and what's a question. When you say you're going to tell a person how the
yeah,
environment is around you,
yeah,
okay?
yeah.
But the way you said it, how is the environment?
How's the environment here?
Yeah. So exactly, it's like you are asking me a question.
Okay,
But when you want to make a statement, you do not use the is over there.
okay.
You put it at the end by saying how the environment is.
How how the environment
How the environment is. Perfect.
is okay,
Okay, so this is used in a statement.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so which places would you take him to visit?
Uh, which place? Like, ma'am, at present, if I would talk about myself, so I live in a village area in
Okay,
Uttarakhand.
okay,
So if someone wants to come in my hometown or
yes,
in my village, so he can easily come here. And because when we move when we go out for metro cities, so
mm-hmm.
there are lots of roads, there are lots of traffic, lots of buses. So but here in my village, there are only one road.
There is.
Yeah, there is only one road, and not too much of buses. Like, you can easily find them only two or three, I think, government buses.
Okay. So
So,
how frequent are those buses?
like, suppose, ma'am, suppose if I have to go Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
so there are two or three buses from my city.
Okay.
So uh, they start 5:30 a.m. from morning, and
Mm-hmm.
after half an hour and to an hour. So
After
there is
every 1 hour or half an hour?
yeah,
Okay, there's another
yeah,
bus.
yeah. There's another bus. but yeah, but
Okay.
only two, but only two or three only, only two or three.
In the entire day.
Yeah, at the entire day.
Wow.
Yeah,
So we have to be on time for those buses.
yeah, and ma'am, right now, like we can booking from online, but if I would talk
Okay.
about like 2 or 3 year or 4 years back, so that time booking was not available.
Mm-hmm.
So first, so like that time you have to fight for seat.
Fight for seats
Yeah, fight for seat.
or go to the counter.
Yeah, go to the counter. Yeah, like that time was very tough, but due to virtual, I think due to online.
Online,
So
yes.
yeah, so
Both
process.
the words you can use, virtual and online. Both are correct.
Okay, so due to online process, so process is easy. Process has
Nice.
become easy. Has become
Nice.
easy.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so which place would you suggest? Like, to see around or look around? Because I've never been to Uttarakhand, so let's imagine I am coming there and you have to suggest or maybe just tell me more about your place.
Okay. So, ma'am, I will suggest you Nainital. I think
Okay.
I think you have heard already about Nainital.
Yes.
So, apart from Nainital, I also suggested you I like Kausani.
I'd also like to suggest to you.
I also like suggest you.
Yes.
Okay, Kausani. Kausani. Kausani is a
Kosan.
place. Yeah, Kausani is a
Okay.
place in Almora, which is known as mini Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, yeah,
I think I should write that one down.
yeah. And Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had lived here.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
Mahatma Gandhi had lived over there.
lived over here, over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, yeah. And apart from that, if you love more nature, so I will suggest to you Gadwal region, like Valley of Flower,
Okay.
Phulo ki Ghati, which
Okay.
are yeah. Uh, Valley of Flower is a world famous site in Uttarakhand.
Nice.
Yeah,
So have you particularly been to these places?
yeah, ma'am. I have been Nainital, Kausani. Like, ma'am, there are 13 districts in Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Okay, so like there are two parts of Uttarakhand. First is Kumaon and second in Garhwal. So
Mm-hmm.
I come from Kumaon region.
Okay.
So there are six districts where I live. So like Valley of Flower, Kedarnath, Badrinath, they all are in Garhwal region.
Nice.
Yeah,
I really, my general knowledge is very poor about that, but I will look it up for sure
yeah,
because it sounds very interesting.
and I think many times you have heard about Kedarnath, Badrinath.
Yes, they are very familiar sounding.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They are pilgrimage actually.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so tell me more about the food over there. What are the places that you would suggest? If someone says we are coming because we are foodies, we like to check out the culture and food. So which is a must go place over there?
Okay. Like, ma'am, like there are no famous particular food like there are no famous
Okay.
street in terms of street food. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if you live in a village, so there are some foods. There are some foods which are our cultural food. I can say
Uh, Traditional.
traditional. Yeah, traditional is the right word. Yeah. So like bhat ke dubke. Bhat is like a pulse.
Okay.
So bhat ke dubke is very famous here in Uttarakhand. And curry, which we called in our native language jhoi.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is also famous here.
Is it
And
spicy or sweet or
yeah, it is spicy. It's spicy.
spicy? Oh, nice.
Yeah, and yeah, and you can eat with rice. Yeah. Apart from that, yeah, apart from that, like there are a lot of things, but all are all are traditional, and some,
Okay.
yeah, and some things, and there are some things which only grown in hilly area.
Like any,
Like,
if you.
yeah, like bhat, as I earlier said, bhat, uh, like these are pulses, like bhat,
Mhm.
mas, and soybean. Yeah,
Soybean.
yeah, not soybean, soybean, like
Okay, it's a different thing. Okay, okay.
yeah, it's a different thing. Yeah, so these are the things. Yeah.
Okay, so if someone is coming to live there but doesn't know anything about that place, so if
Hmm.
you have to suggest to him or her where to take a place, maybe on rent,
Maybe
okay,
on
what
rent.
would be your, yeah, maybe what would be your suggestion for that?
Like, first, first I will ask him like what kind of place he or she is like
Okay. What do
like
they actually like in their surroundings?
yeah, because some people like tranquility, some people likes cloudy place. So everything depends person to person, I think. So
Mm-hmm.
first I will ask them like what kind of place do you want to live. So um like
Okay, let's say quiet place.
quiet place.
Quiet place.
Quiet place means sant place,
Yes.
where we can find tranquility.
Yes.
Okay,
Tranquility.
tranquility. Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. So it depends, ma'am, person to person.
Okay. So, are there any places which is near to a city? Like, if a person is coming. Hello.
Yeah, I think, ma'am, there is a network issue from my side, I think.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, because it has been raining for last 4 to 5 days continue. So
Oh, it
maybe.
rains during this period,
Yeah, ma'am.
or it's a like once in a while issue.
Yeah.
When does rainy season start over there?
Yeah, ma'am. Like this time, it is abnormal raining here. Like
Okay,
rainy,
okay.
like otherwise rainy season start, I think, June.
Yeah, June.
Yeah, in June. But due to climate change, these are the things happening.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quite true.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
ma'am,
so
yeah,
one last question.
yeah.
Okay, if I have to come shopping over there, okay,
Shopping.
yes,
Yeah.
as a memory, what is that one thing you'd like me to purchase?
What is the one thing?
One or
Like,
two, whichever.
uh, 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 mm, like you can purchase like cap, I think, our culture, which shows our culture.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, you can purchase ponji, which mainly girls wear in their hand. Ponji. It's called ponji.
Okay, it's like a bag or a glove.
It's like a bangle.
Okay, it's like a
Bangle.
bang. Oh,
Yeah.
bangle.
Bangle. Yeah. It's like a bangle.
Bangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bhuvan, are you watching any movies that are in English
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. I'm. Yeah. I do watch.
and reading?
Uh, Sometime I read. Yeah.
Okay. So while watching a movie, do you put the subtitles on?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Do you read it loudly along with the subtitles, along with the movie character?
No, actually, I tried sometime, but I get bored after some time. So I,
Okay. Okay. What
yeah,
I would suggest, no, at least for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes, at least do it. Don't do it for the whole movie. That is
Okay.
boring because that is
Yeah.
too long.
Yeah, that's too long. Yeah.
Yeah, so at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now, why
Okay.
it will help you is because you have to practice your tongue movement.
Okay.
Because what happens is the words they get set in the mind. You can read it also in the mind.
Yeah.
But what your main practice is spoken English.
Yeah.
So if you do not let the tongue practice the word, there is where you are missing the pronunciation, or sometimes you
Okay.
miss on the grammar.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
and
ma'am.
they were very minor issues or very minor mistakes, which I think I corrected in places.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so do try it 15 to 20 minutes daily. Okay, and if you don't get the pronunciation of one word, like you come to know on your own. Okay, pause the
Yeah.
video, go back, and keep saying it till you get the correct pronunciation.
Okay. Again and again.
Yes, because you cannot just say, okay, that is a word I don't know. It should
Okay.
become a word that you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, 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 ma'am.
Okay, you want to say something?
No, no, ma'am. Yeah. Like this is my feedback from your side.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Tell
yeah.
me, tell me.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Like, I just want one thing. Like, this is my feedback. Like, I have to
Yes.
improve. Yeah, I have to improve
It's
over.
minor pronunciation.